Okay, so it's on defrost, and you see it's defrosting the unit, and the noise that comes on periodically, it's just for the defrost cycle, and it goes away as soon as all the ice is gone. So you see ice disappeared. We still have 0.8 on the unit for defrost, and as you can see, our compressor is louder because it's defrosting the ice, and we have condensation from the bottom of the unit. So now you see that we are going down in the defrost, and the noise of the compressor is going down. You can see the coil outside is hot, so we have steam coming off of it, and we see the compressor going down in speed. Okay, defrost cycle just finished, and the unit is kicking back in. All operations okay.